I'm going to show you how you can create product variants on your Shopify store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. So once you have everything ready, you need to go to products right here and you will find all your products. So in my case, I only have this one, but I'm going to create a new one for this video. So let's say we want to sell t-shirts, for example. We will just fill all the information, and if you scroll down almost to the bottom, you will see the different variants you can create for this product. So you can add different options, like for example, let's say you want to sell t-shirts at different sizes or colors, for example. Let's say just size, and then it can be small, then it can be medium, it can be large as well. This is like the first variant, and you can add more options or variants, for example colors. It can be, let's say, blue, and just add any color or any variant you want. Then you can click on done to create those variants, and right below you will see this new option where you can set a specific price depending on the variant. So let's say this small one is cheaper, so it can be €10. Then the medium one will be €15. You can also put a specific price depending on the color in this case, but you can have any variant you want depending on the product you are selling. So for this example, I'm just going to put different prices depending on the size of this t-shirt, and let's just save the changes, and that's it. You can also put different images depending on the variant. So let's say we want to set images for the blue variant, so it can be the blue t-shirt and the green t-shirt as well. So they will have different images depending on the variant the customer wants to purchase. So now this is how it will look like. In my case, it doesn't have any description, any image, so it looks kind of ugly. But as you can see, the customer can select any variant you want. So in this case, well, you can also see how the price increases or changes depending on the size. So for this case, it says all of them are out of stock, so you can change that and changing this value right here. So let's say there are 5 blue small t-shirts available and 15 green t-shirts. So you can save it, and now it should let you select the small t-shirt just like this. You can now select this small t-shirt and you can buy them this way. So you will obviously need to make this look better, and that's basically the process. If you want to do the same with an existing product, you can also do it by going to the product you want to edit, scroll down, and you will see the variants right here as well. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.